I'm working on a yellow lab string art, and it's in remembrance of my first dog, who was a yellow lab. His name was Bailey, and I didn't want to string the letters, so I'm going to show you how I transfer them. The first time I tried to do this, I tried to do it with pencil, and when you have gray stain on your board, it doesn't work that well. So we're going to give it a shot with chalk, which is my son's chalk from outside. So we'll see how this works. So this is from my first attempt. Didn't go very well. So now we're going to cover it in chalk. Alright, so you just want to color the back of your template with chalk or with pencil. Chalk typically works evidently on gray stain, hopefully, and darker stains like espresso or black paint. I've had good success with pencil on black, but whatever works. So let's give this a shot. So now that you've got your chalk or your pencil on the back, you just want to trace the letters like this. And basically you're just tracing a guide for where you want your letters to be. They don't have to be perfect. You can smooth them out once the transfer is made. Yes, so it worked a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can tell. What I was having a problem with the pencil was I could see it over here for the first few letters, but then once I got onto this knot, it just disappeared. So we're done with that. And I'm going to use just a regular black Sharpie. And I'm just going to trace the letters. And now that you've got the letters kind of done here, what's really nice is you can make them, you could just leave it as thin as it is here, or you can make it thicker. You can make it really look like calligraphy with like the downstrokes being thicker. It's totally up to you, but I just wanted to be able to show you guys that there is an alternate way to do letters if you don't want to string them, because sometimes you just don't want to do it, man. There you have it, guys. There is our letters. I have another video for you on Thursday, so I will see you then.